Lab Tech Show, Tallboy Live, CES 2025, Eureka Park. Now, I know there's a lot of foodies out here. I know that there's some people that may not like to cook, but are you looking for a personalized, precise, and autonomous opportunity to cook your food? I mean, it's so much because autonomous does a lot of stuff, but I got Maxwell that's going to tell us all about Chef AI. Tell us all about it.
Yeah, so Chef AI is a automatic air fryer and griller. What you have in here is a camera, a thermal camera and weight sensor, which gets sensor information that we pass to our thermal model to determine the optimal time, temperature, and cooking program for you.
Hold up, time, temperature, and cooking just by putting the food in?
All you need to do is put the food in, press play, and then it cooks the food automatically.
That's it.
That's it.
So it could be anything.
That's correct. We have our vision model. It's pretty robust to identify different raw ingredients, so we can determine exactly what time and temperature to cook it at.
So how are you able to do this with this type of technology?
Yeah, so obviously the vision model is pretty important. We need to be able to identify things very accurately, and then when we pass it into our thermal model, we can cook different things like meat, using dimensional data to get the thickness. If we have fries, we use the weight. If we have broccoli, we use a bunch of other different things. So that's kind of how we determine. We have a hierarchical model that splits up the food data into different programs.
So a guy like me that does not know anything about cooking in the oven other than putting it on 350 or 400,
right.
I literally just take whatever, the pizza, the french fries, the hamburger meat, whatever it is, just put it in the oven, and what will it do for me?
That's correct. It just cooks it automatically for you, and you don't have to worry about overcooking at all. Like, all you need to do is put it in and press play.
Now, you say it does three things. So what are the three things that it does?
Yeah, the three things are that it's autonomous, so it's zero touch, probeless. All you need to do is put it in. Personalized, so we have a feedback system where if you don't like the way it was cooked, you can adjust a slider, and then it cooks to a different preference. And then it's also personalized.
Now, you also said it does broiling, baking, and something else, right?
Yeah, so
air fryer.
We have a bunch of different modes. Yeah, our main one is air fry. We can also grill, we can broil, and we can do bake as well. So it's a bunch of different modes that we can do.
So if I want to bake a cake, it does it. If I want it all in the same oven.
That's correct, yep.
All right, how much does something like this go for?
It's going for $450, and we're launching at the end of Q4.
So this will be a great Christmas gift, great gift item for the families that say, hey, I don't want to do the cooking, or maybe they like to cook and they just say, I can just save some time.
Yeah, that's correct, yeah.
All right, Maxwell, look at this camera right here and tell people why they should look at Chef AI.
Yeah, so Chef AI basically takes care of all of your cooking needs for you. You don't have to worry about deciding what food to eat. All you need to do is get the food from the grocery store, pop it in, and then it's all good for you.
Wow.
Website, once again?
Website is cheficookware.com.
All right, so if you want to take the guesswork out of cooking and you want something that's precise, personalized, and autonomous, look at Chef AI, all right? Lab Tech Show, Tallboy, we're gone. It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.